Okay, let's take a look at another Pegasus Grande. This is another one of the new Bailey caravans that's been released. It's the Palermo. It's a double wheelbase, and this is very much a family van. Don't forget, these Pegasus Grandes are 8 foot wide, so you do get that extra space, and they are ideal for those bigger families. At the rear of the van you have your toilet cassette and that place to put your water for the flushing system. You have double wheels, and coming up to the vent just there for the heating and the hot water, and then you have the inlet there for the actual water. All in all, the van looks very smart. You've got those new square windows, tinted windows, and you've got now what's becoming that classic long window at the front that Bailey are producing, coming all the way down to that really nice classy black A-frame. The front of the van, again, it's just finished off really well. They seem to have made an effort now to get rid of all those nooks and crannies, certainly if you're cleaning it after doing a long haul on the motorway, so it makes it a lot easier. You've got at the front here the gas outlet for the barbecue, another under bed storage which is absolutely fabulous, and then your two mains ports, one for the inlet for the mains and one for the 13 amp socket, which is very good. Coming along, your two wheels again, up to your fridge freezer outlets on the side, and then we've got your double gas bottle locker, and then another under bed storage. What more could you ask for? Lovely finish to the van again at the back. Those nice nooks and crannies, keeping it intact to clean. Just a good, clean, solid, crisp finish. A lovely van. If you've enjoyed the video, please give us the thumbs up. Please hit the red button and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of what we do. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.